Hello viewers, if you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today I am going to share the greatness and uniqueness of Siruvaburi Murugan Temple. This Siruvaburi Murugan Temple is located about 3 kilometers off the highway. History of the temple states that Lava and Kusa, the sons of Rama, lived here. They once fought a war with Rama himself while he was passing through this region, unaware that he was their father. The location was given the name Siruvar Por Puri because it was a battleground for young children. In Tamil language, Siruvar means children and Porpuri means to wage war. This spot is now known as Chinnambedu, but it was previously known as Siruvar Ambu Edu, which means children who took their arrows for the fight. In this village, hundreds of years ago, there lived a lady named Murugammai. She had been a devout follower of Lord Muruga in this town. For years, she had been chanting his name and praying to him. Her husband, who did not appreciate her constant worship, warned her to quit, but she refused to listen to him. And in a fit of rage, her husband served her arms. Murugammai cried out for help only to Lord Muruga at that time. The Lord, who was delighted with her bhakti, joined her hands even though there were no signs of injury. Lord Muruga here is called Balasubramanyar and is said to be powerful, granting the wishes of devotees. This beautiful temple also has Annamalayar and Unnamulai Amman. The Utsava Murti of Muruga is seen as Valli Manalar in a wedding posture with Valli. Lord Muruga here is believed to grant wishes for those intend to buy or construct a house. Many people who wish to buy a house visit Lord Muruga here for blessings to fulfill their wish. Among the various names of Murugan, the name Valli Kanavan stands supreme as the famous one. Murugan, who is the consort of Devayani, the celestial daughter of Indra, married a hunter's girl of this human world, an aspect having very deep philosophical significance. All are equal in the face of God, and this is the expression of the Valli Nayakam form. Valli shines in brilliance here as Icha Shakti. The marriage of Murugan with Valli is eulogized by Tamil scholars as a most fitting example of furtive love. In Tamil, it is known as Kalava Thirumanam. Murugan married Valli and enjoyed conjugal bliss with her with a smile always. This is indicative of how the householder's life should be led in this mundane world. His image of wedlock with Valli is known as Valli Kalyana Sundarar. The Kumara Tantra depicts this form as having one face and 4 hands. The front 2 hands are one in Abhayamutra and the other hand placed on the hip. In the back 2 hands, he has Rudraksha Mala and Kamandalu. In this form, on the right side, we find Valli in all her beauty. Lord Murugan holding the hand of Valli in preparation for wedlock is only the one of its kind at Siruvaburi Sri Balasubramanya Swami Temple. The worship of Valli Kalyana Sundarar paves the way for the celebration of marriages at the proper time among families. Even marriages which have been thwarted by circumstances are said to get relieved of obstacles, paving the way for happy married life. A unique feature of this temple is the Maragada Mail, that is the peacock, the carrier of Lord Muruga, made of green stone. Arunagirinadar is seen just near the sanctum facing the Lord. Arunagirinadar has visited this temple and sung many Thirupugal songs here. He also has composed an Archanai Thirupugal on Lord Muruga, which if recited fulfills one's wishes. Other deities are Maragada Vinayagar, Adi Murugar, Nagar, Venkatrayar, Munishwarar and Bhairavar. Not only building a new house dream, but also marriages, business development and all our needs will be fulfilled by worshipping this Murugan. As this Murugan punished Brahma for not knowing the Pranava mantra and took the creator position of Brahma, by worshipping this Murugan, even the Vastu dosha of the house will be removed. Those worshipping this powerful Murugan are experiencing his miracles in their real life. Muruga.